What's going on YouTube? Jay back with another review. Today we're reviewing the Anker Nano that's going to be coming in I believe a silver color. Supposed to be 22 milliamps, 22,000 milliamps. USB-C, so it's for the newest iPhones, Samsungs. Yeah, let's dive into it. Grab our handy dandy knife over here. Open this packaging up. See what Anker has in store. So first off, we have, this thing's a little tiny, but we have a tiny little Anker. Like I said, USB-C. Should be charging phones up pretty quickly from what they say their power delivery is. Packaging is nice, comes with a lot of stuff, a lot of packaging and a lot of booklets and warranty card. If you feel like you got ripped off from Anker, you can give them a call. USB-C and USB-C, so double USB-C charging for the phone and throughout your power delivery source. Charging it up seems pretty easy and effectively. So let's see how it charges the phone. Currently at 93%. So we can try that if I had a USB-C phone. All right. Currently at 10%, folks. This should be pretty interesting to see what happens. So we'll let that go on for a little bit and see how fast, time it for a little bit and go from there. Also on the plus side, you do get a nice little USB-C to USB-C, which is nice. So if you haven't gotten USB-C devices, check the comments below. There should be a link in there for probably the best USB-C cords you can get with full RGB and all. On top of that, I would really like to say thank you for Anker for sending this out to us. Appreciate it a ton. And yeah, I use Anker all the time. That's all I really use. And I'm happy that we could team up and see what we can come up with. Whoa, hasn't even been a minute, it went up 2%. That's pretty impressive. Definitely have to say this is quick charging for sure. Sleek little compact design. If you're sick of it, flip it, toss it, do your thing. And yeah, that's literally my review on the Anker Nano Power Bank, I should say. And if you want to see more reviews like this, give us a like, smash that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.